Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this healthy meal, chicken skewers with a Moroccan flavor and with a very simple salad and kamut grain. You can substitute this grain with any of your choice, brown rice, white rice, or any other that you like. First, I'm going to start by soaking this grain overnight or for at least 6 to 8 hours. This is Egyptian grain. You can find it now in most grocery stores or you can buy online also. After you let it soak, cook it for 45 minutes and you add the seasoning of your choice. I just add salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil. Here I'm gonna use 3 chicken breasts and I'm gonna cut it in medium pieces. Just like that. Here I'm going to mix all the condiments: cinnamon, turmeric, cumin, ginger, garlic powder, salt, paprika, and olive oil. And mix everything together. And I'm going to save about 1 teaspoon of this mix for later. And mix everything together and you can let it marinate for about 20 minutes. I'm using this skewers. You can get it from the grocery store also. They're just regular ones. I'm putting 4 pieces of chicken in each skewers. You can make this in advance and put it in the fridge. And when you're ready to start cooking, they're going to be ready to go on the grill. I'm going to separate them like that, just to make sure they cook evenly. And I'm using my indoor grill. I'm going to cook them for about 12 minutes. I'm going to cover it and check on them later. Now let's make the salad. This is a very simple salad. I'm gonna use red bell pepper, English cucumber, tomato, and some red onion. And also I'm using half of this green mix. And I'm gonna make a very simple dressing. I'm using 1 tablespoon of olive oil and the juice of half lemon and salt and pepper to taste. And now I'm going to check on my chicken and I'm going to add that mix that I saved. This is optional. I just like to put this so the chicken doesn't dry too much and also give it a little bit more flavor. And let it cook for another 5 minutes and after that it's going to be ready. And they are ready. And ta-da! Here's the final dish. And now I'm going to add a little bit of hummus. This is optional also. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you really like this recipe. I recommended you to do it. It's very easy and simple. You can do the step ahead. And it is on the healthy side also, so why not? Thanks again for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.